Simplify login with Academy LMS Social Login. Welcome back to the Academy LMS channel. Today we show you how to simplify the login process for your e-learning website using the social login feature in Academy LMS. First, ensure both Academy LMS Free and Pro installed and activated. Next, enable anyone can register from the WordPress dashboard settings. Now enable the social login add-in from Academy LMS. Navigate to Academy LMS settings. Locate social login from advanced settings. Available social login options are Facebook and Google. Let's start with the Facebook configuration. Enable Facebook social login. We will need Facebook App ID and Facebook App Secret. Go to the developers.facebook.com website. Select My Apps and click on Create App, then again Create. Press on Next, select Other and click Next. Select App Type Consumer and press Next. Add the app name and click on Create App. Set up Facebook login. Select Web here. Input your site URL and hit Save. Navigate to the app settings and click on Basic, input privacy policy and user data deletion URL, then hit Save Changes. Next, click on Facebook login settings. Enable login with the JavaScript SDK, add allowed domains, and hit Save Changes. Now toggle the app status to Live. Navigate App Settings and click on Basic. Here you can find the App ID and App Secret. Keep them safe. Here, paste those Facebook App IDs and App Secrets. Hit Save. From the login page, a Facebook login option appears now. Setting up for Google now. Enable Google Login. Go to Google Developers Console. Create a new project and set the project name. Set up the OAuth consent screen. Select External and click Next. Provide app information and app domain. Add your domain to the Authorized Domain section. Provide the developer's contact email address and click on Create and Continue. Now click Save and Continue. Add users, go to Save and Continue. Back to the dashboard and click on the Publish app. Now click Credential, then Create Credential and select OAuth Client ID. Select the application type as a web application and set a name. Add your authorized website's URL and click on Create. Copy the client ID. Paste the Google Client ID here. Hit the Save button, and that's it. You've successfully activated social login options for Facebook and Google on your Academy LMS site. Enhance your user experience with these simple steps. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.